I'm here to help you save your money, your time, and your peace of mind, so let's go. There is no need to go out and spend $20 to over $50 on a cream bronzer when you can buy this one for $8. It is by the brand Makeup Revolution, and it is their Ultra Cream Bronzer. I recommend using a fluffy brush just like this one for the most flawless application. You don't need a lot, and look how amazing this blends out. Look how stunning that is. It's so natural, a little bit more natural, a little bit more snatched. You know what they say about big foreheads, big brains. And you can use it for a nose contour. Just squeeze your brush. Boom, boom, boom. Look at that nose contour. The bronzer will be linked down in the description, and make sure you're subscribed for more makeup product reviews. Bye.